Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will be dyeing my hair. So let's see the transformation. Okay guys, so this is actually my final hair. What I did was I dyed my hair with the 9A Ion Light Ash Blonde hair dye that you guys saw earlier. And after that dyed, it ended up just making my hair even blonder than it already was. My hair is naturally a light platinum blonde with kind of yellow tones to it. And so it actually just made my hair even more blonde, kind of like with a white look to it. Not really giving me the ashy look that I wanted, so I went back to Sally's and I got the Ion Snow White Toner and tried that out for the first time. I used it for about 25 to 30 minutes and this is the final effect. So I do like it. In a couple days, all the kind of blue tint to it will be out and it will be just where I want it and just the way I like. So I'm definitely happy with it, but that is my hair transformation. Thank you guys for watching.